Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope my voice is a bit louder this time. I'm going to do a base coat on this type of nail, which is the stiletto type. Well, long almond, gel tips. So I'm going to put the Beetle gel, base gel on. So I'll quickly pop that on and I'll be back once that's done. And now that that's done, I've just placed it on. I haven't cured it yet because I'm going to use the flash cure that I used in the previous video. So, and I'll be back once that has been all cured. So enjoy the speed run.
Took a couple L's this week, it's been hard to get out of bed. She never looked that way at me, I swear.
That was just the first, so we're going to test. It's still a bit tacky, as you can see. It's a little shine on there, so it means it's not ready. So it does a blast of 45 seconds. This needs to cure between, well, it'll say on the back here. So if we can, if I read it for you. Well, yeah, 90 to 120 seconds under a UV lamp. I don't have a UV lamp yet. So we do this again because it was only 45 seconds. So enjoy another speed run.
It's fucking with my head. Take me far away.
So we'll check it again. It's still a bit tacky, as you can see. Still a bit tacky there. If you don't believe me, I'll do that. See? So we'll go in again because 45 plus 45 is only 90 seconds. So while I'm doing this, all I'm doing is moving it around so it can cure all over. Just like that. So enjoy another speed run.
From pain, take me far away, far from yesterday. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral.
So that's done, and for me, I can still see it shining along, being shiny along here, if my camera will focus. Still see it being slightly shiny, and that's alright. It's still a bit tacky, but 3 times. So I've got another Beetle's gel polish. This is all I'll use for nail polish. And we're going for a nice light pink. Well, it looks light, but it looks light on the sticker and through the camera, but it's actually a dark pink. I'll show you now. Look at this beautiful colour. While you're doing that, you need to just wipe off the extra like that. I'll show it again. So imagine you've just undo it and then you just wipe it off. Just one side like that, and you've still got a lot of gel polish. And then I like to go stroke it down the middle, nice and fan out. I like to do little strokes, and then I work from right to left. So I go through the middle, then I do the right, then I do the left. But at the same time, I'm making sure I get that tip. Ooh. So just get a bit more on me brush, and we go top to bottom, just like that. And make sure there's no major lumps. It's going to look quite sheer, but this is the way I do it. Some people can do it on their first try, get a nice pretty colour, but this is just how I've always done it. So that's got a nice, just trying, the reason why I keep going like that is because there's a little flyaway on it, little bit of hair on it from the paintbrush, from the brush, and you just take that off. You see, there's just this little bit that was on it that I could see but the camera did not pick up. So now that, just making sure, always make sure you put the cap back on. Always tighten that up. This is how it'll look before the first cure, before it cures. It looks perfect on camera. If I try and bring it up as close as I can, you can see, as you can see, it's still quite a bit sheer. So I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to do another layer on top. So, and this could take quite a while because I've only got this. But in a lamp, a UV lamp, which I'm getting on Wednesday, it will only take 60 to 90 seconds, however long it says on the back of here. This one says 60 to 90 seconds, 2 coats for best results. So, enjoy the speed run, and I'll be back when this is done.
Darling, damn, you look beautiful. You're killing my heart, it's the usual. Killing my heart, it's the usual. All you do is waste my time. Done being a victim of your phony love. All you do is waste my time. All of your hypocrisy is killing me. All you do is waste my time. Done being a victim of your phony love. I'm not looking.
That's me done with that curing. Now to check it, look at that. No pickup on my finger, nothing. It's actually dried. Right, so I'll put that back there, and as you can see, got some little spots there. Ignore that, that's going to be covered. But that looks pretty perfect on there. So we'll do a second coat. So as you remember, turn that off, take it off, and do a second coat. Just like that. For me, it's not going to look perfect, and I don't mind if it doesn't look perfect, as long as it looks good. Practice makes perfect. You don't have to be practice makes things. For me, I say practice doesn't make things perfect. Practice makes you enjoy it. As long as you like the end result, who cares what it looks like, is what I say. So, and that is the second coat done. I really need to get a lamp in here. So, as you can see, it's still it's not good, but it's not bad for a decent first try. So now we're back to curing it. I cure here, 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 and then I go on top and I wave it, and I just hold it on top, and then for the final one I do it all over. So here's another speed run. I just need to get this little one off here, as you can see. For that, I'm just going to use another nail, which I shouldn't, but it makes things just a tad bit easier. So I'm going to get my paintbrush, my nail varnish back out, and I'm just going to do another, and I'm just going to cover it, because I've not cured yet. And there we go. So, and there we go. It looks pretty fine to me. So I'm going to turn that around. I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to flash there, 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 on the top here, and then I'm just going to wave it about and see what happens. So enjoy the speed run.
Took a couple L's this week, it's it's been hard to get out of bed. She never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with my head. Take me far away from pain. Take me far away, far from yesterday. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. Darling, damn, you look beautiful. You're killing my heart, it's the usual. Killing my heart, it's the usual.
I'm going to use one of these. I do apologise for the glare, but I want to use this one right here. Oh no, this one. I'm going to use this one because I think that would just be nice. For this, I'm going to use a Stampin' nail polish. This is the brand, I think, the ingredients, the bottom, the top, which is an M, which, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the gem. The, what do you call it? Oh, right. And again, just untie it, take some of it off, and then you got to go really fast because it's air dry, so I do apologise if this seems a bit fast. So you put some on, make sure this is ready, and then 45-degree angle, and scrape and scrape, right, and then your stamp. It's not a perfect stamp, as you can see, some of it is missing, but that's okay. And you can see we've got an unwanted design right there. So we take this and you tap it, because this is sticky. On my case, it's not that sticky anymore. So I'll just scrape it. And then you line up where you want to go. And I'm going to go for the top. So you line it. You can somewhat see. And then we just stamp away. It's not perfect. By no means is it perfect. That's it right there. And I think I like the off-centered look. For me, I do like the things that don't look perfect. That's the little rose. Always make sure these are tight. And there's no need to cure this one, the Stampin' gel, because it dries, air dries. So there's no need for that. What you're going to need next is your gem. Oh, that's upside down. Is your gem. And you're going to need a wax pencil. This is the one that was, all of this stuff that I'm using right now was given to me as a gift. So use one of these. You just hold it. You pick it up just like that. Make sure not to press too hard, otherwise you can get the gem stuck. Not stuck. You can get the wax stuck. So for me, it's not picking up again. So I'll just hold that in there, so I don't have to faff on with it. So I'll just put it there. So this is the giant sealant that I'm using. And I want to put it down here. So I'll bring you guys close so you can see. Bring this closer. Right. So squeeze a little on. Just a little. Make a 12. And then you get the position that you want. You stick it on. And then you just move it around however you like. For me, I actually quite like that. There. And because I forgot to put this on, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, to put it on, you just aim it into the hole and you slide it in. Tighten it up. Right. And time for everyone's favourite part, the curing. Doesn't take long. I like to do here. I like to do all 4 sides. And maybe on the top. But enjoy the speed run again.
Killing me. All you do is waste my time.
is not going to move. The only thing that is moving is the nail on here, because it's just tape. The last thing I've got to do is put a top coat on, which I forgot to do. Yep, and that's rolling away because it's not, as I said, it's not secured. It's just tape on a pencil. I'm always real with this. And again, it's a Beatles one, and it's a top gel. And I'm just going to go all around avoiding that teddy bear. If I can undo it. Right. And again, I'm just going to show you again. Scrape it off. Just half of it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And because I'm doing this at an awkward angle, because I forgot to do the top coat before putting the teddy bear on. And I know I've probably made like, what, 100 mistakes in this. But I'm only just a beginner. I'm learning as I go. Right, and again, I'm going to cure this, and then I'll show you once it's done. Look how quick and easy that was. It's just got a nice pink little colour. I'm trying to show you as best as I can. And we've got the little rose, the sparkling gold teddy bear. And yes, there is a few mess ups here. Let me just grab a paintbrush so I can show you. As you can see, there's some little mess ups here. Right there. And it's not perfect. You can see you've got a bit of blotchiness. Over here, there's a bit of hair there. But I'm going to be real and show you every little bit I've done. I hope you enjoy and you come back for more. Bye for now.